What's up, squad? Technician's here. I hope I got that. I hope I got that. What's going on, guys? My name is Edwin. I'm an Acura technician, and today I am bringing you a video about the fuel pump recall. Brain fart. Anyways, do you own a 19 or 20 RDX? Yeah? Good. You care about your fuel pump recall at all? Well, if you're watching this video, probably. So today, I'm going to be showing you, as an Acura technician, what we do to complete that recall for you. Yeah, that's going on in the video.
Alright, first things first is that we got to remove some trim panels and that bolt so that we can remove the rear seat cushion out of the way so that we gain access to the fuel pump assembly.
Alright, now that we have access to the fuel pump door, which is that right there, we're going to start disassembling everything to get access to it. So, where is my screwdriver? We're going to remove this access port. So, it's just 3 screws, you saw me do it. And there's a clip down here.
Disclaimer, I meant to say connector, not clip. Yeah, I know.
Come on. Push that to the side. Now we have access to the top of the fuel pump. I'm gonna have to
disconnect the fuel line from the fuel pump slash sending unit, excuse me. That way you can get the whole send unit assembly out of the tank. But before that,
we got our special tool right here. I don't know if you can see it that well. It's good enough. One side's a hook. It's specially designed to fit in these slots, 1/2 inch. Pick a corner. And you can grab your longest pry bar that you could possibly find.
Pry bar, I meant ratchet. Longest ratchet. My brain's mush when I'm trying to do these.
And we gotta muscle this guy out. Let's go, Hercules. Oh, that was easy. Put my mask on. So at this point, we are working with fly fuel. And we got another line down here because there's 2 fuel tanks in this car. One on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. Let's disconnect the clip. Careful.
All I'm doing here is draining out the excess fuel inside the sending unit. That way I can take it out and bring it to the bench and work on it.
That's most of it out. Don't you love the smell of fuel in the morning?
I love the smell of fuel in the morning. I love the smell of burning rubber in the morning. Oh, hey, you got a fuel pump recall.
Yeah. You get a fuel pump recall. You get a fuel pump recall. You get a fuel pump recall.
And you get a one.
And
Okay, you get a fuel pump recall with that.
yay. Yeah, that's satisfying. I don't care who you are. All right, thanks for watching. Again, my name is... Thanks for watching. Again, my name is Edwin. Hopefully you learned something today. And hopefully I can think of something else to think. Yeah, don't forget to hit the like button. And please leave a comment if you want to see more stuff. Preferably Acura related.